This is the MATLAB script that will be provided to you during the lab, and for this video we'll go through it together. This script implements the transmission and the signal generation and channel part of the system that we are trying to design, and at the end of it you will be required to implement the receiver part, the basic receiver part for AWGN channel. So you will implement this and put it in your report. So to begin with, first of all, when you're doing the simulation, you have to specify the parameters, the simulation parameters. So in this case, we have to specify the symbol rate and also the oversampling rate, and also we're gonna specify the sampling rate, sampling frequency, basically by using this formula, which is the symbol rate times the oversampling ratio. And also we need to specify the modulation order. In this case, we will be using QPSK modulation, in which the modulation order is 4. Also, we'll specify the message length, that the length of the message that we want to transmit, and that is in bits. After that, we specify the SNR, the ratio of the noise, of the signal power to the noise power. So this determines the strength of the noise that we are going to add to our signal as a part of the channel. So after specifying these parameters, we can go ahead and generate the signal in bits that we want to transmit, and to do that we use the command, MATLAB command. So this generates a vector of bits, of zeros and ones. This command will generate random numbers of this length, and then we use this logic operator to map that numbers into zeros and one based on their sign. If they are greater than 0, it's going to be 1. If they are less than 0, it's going to be 0. So at the end we'll have a vector of zeros and 1 at the random bits of the message that we would like to transmit. So after implementing this step, we move to the next step, which is modulating these bits into symbols.